What's up, guys? Got some killer footage coming up for you, but just real quick, we're going to be out at Hogwaller this weekend, Friday and Saturday, 8:30, 8:31. If you see me out there, say hi. I'd love to meet up with some people and find some new trails. I don't know Hogwaller all that well, and people are always asking when I'm going to be out there, so I wanted to make an announcement. We're also giving out some Tarachi gift cards, $100 gift cards. Details of that are on the Tarachi Facebook page. That much. The back tires are in that soft butt. Today is a big day. We got one Jimmy out at Holopaw, mine, and we got another Jimmy. We got Brian's Jimmy back there. They're basically twins, same year, make and model, and everything like that. Oh yeah. That looks so crazy. So if you follow the channel, you know I am absolutely obsessed with K-cars and K-trucks and K-SUVs, the tiny Japanese ones. So these Jimmys are 3-cylinder turbo, solid front axle, super sweet little motors, electronic ignition, coil packs, fuel injected, you name it, they're great. They run like little submarines. I've imported 4, well, my friends and I have imported 4. This is Brian's, there's 2 more we're building. Some other friends, but we put a lot of time and work into these things. This is our first good test, and they performed awesome. Very comfortable, very capable, totally blew our minds, and AC worked all day. We literally cruised around in AC comfort all day, which was great because it was very hot and buggy. Oh yeah! That's a good tire comparison test though.
I hit it pretty hard.
Yeah. Dude, look at that I love that little front axle. Oh, it's so cute! Oh yeah! And so we're trying to make it down the power lines, but it's really deep. Oh no. Yes!
Oh yeah. Oh man. Oh, that looks easy.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Go around.
Is it floating?
Yeah. Now that was cool.
Yeah.
Oh yeah! Just a quick overview on the mods. We both have the ultra low 4-to-1 transfer case gears. We both got some lift, about 31-inch tires, and spool in the back, lunchbox locker in the front. Brian's truck has about 4 inches lift, mine has about 3 inches, and he went with some super cool old school buckshot mutters with 1-inch knobbies. I've got some super cheap V-treads. Now his tires perform a lot better than mine. He can air down a lot lower because they're actual truck tires. Mine are made to have tubes, so I have to have at least 10 PSI and have them slimed. So his truck, definitely performed a little better with those tires. But the V-treads, you can't mess with their performance in the wet stuff because these things are basically tractors, right? They're extremely low horsepower, but really good torque with the low transfer case gears. Again, these are 660cc motors with a little tiny turbo. So not a lot of power to mess with, but still a ton of fun. Oh!
Not splash my door.
stuck yet, so I'm now attempting to get stuck. I'm hitting the middle of all of the bad shit as slowly as possible. So
We'll get the side view on the documentation over.
despite our best efforts, we never actually managed to get stuck, which was pretty impressive because Holopaw is really mucky and wet right now. Went everywhere all over the property, went through a lot of good mud holes, and our interiors were still pretty clean. A little bit of water came through the door seals and like around the shifter boot, but nothing crazy. And the trucks ran great all day. Not a single misfire, didn't skip a beat. And the AC worked. We were very comfortable. I mean, I just cannot say enough good things about these little trucks. They are way too much fun.